Hello there, chefs. Today we're gonna do a sour cream and onion dip. So the ingredients we're gonna need is a labneh, sour cream, pickles, pickle juice, onion powder, garlic powder, and green onions. Now this is a super easy recipe. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all the ingredients, we're gonna mix it together, then we're gonna put it in the fridge. For the labneh, you can exchange it with Greek yogurt, but we like this one better because it's way more thick. Serve it with chips, pita chips, or crackers. This is all for today, foodies. I hope you had fun in the kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.